guys, so you're stuck in a survival situation, and we're here in my shelter, but it's getting pretty cold out. As you can see, there's some snow. We're just kind of out in the middle of nowhere here. We need a fire, essentially. Essentially what we gotta do, we gotta build a fire, otherwise we're gonna freeze to death. So as I was digging out this hole, I managed to come across some iron. So we're actually gonna use this iron sword I crafted using 2 iron ingots and 1 stick to basically look for some matches. We're gonna try and make a match, guys. So first thing you're gonna want to do is go up to some trees and just start chopping them. Just keep chopping them. And yeah, guys, so once you go hard enough, basically you start chopping away, and some should just kind of like fall out of the tree. So you should get some matches. Oh, okay. There's one. Alright, here we go. Alright, so we got the matches. Now let me show you how to light them. It's pretty easy, guys. So once you got the matches, you're just gonna want to go ahead, just go in here. Alright, guys, now what you're gonna want to do is grab some kindling. As you can see here, I have 3 pieces, which is about what you need. I don't know if you know this, but basically what you want to do when you start a fire is kind of build a teepee, and then just go ahead and plant your matches in there, and just kind of like, you know, Alright, guys, so as you can see, we're pretty warm now. We're actually getting sufficient heat. So that's basically going to conclude the end of the tutorial. We're doing a good job here. We're actually surviving pretty good right now. So yeah, that's going to be it for the video today, guys. Thank you, and watch. I don't even think the match is lit today.
No.
Yeah, they're not lighting. The match is... Holy cow. Maybe onto something. The match just kind of flew around though. Oh,
It's fine.
look at that! It's like a fidget spinner of light. It's like a ninja star. We're doing a good job, guys. Don't worry about it. That's your manual. Alright, guys, so as you can see, the fire is completely fine. We're actually getting warmed up now. Yeah, so if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Hey, what's up, guys? TechRex here. Today we're gonna be doing the new skate race challenge. So basically what we're gonna be doing is you're going to be racing this skateboard right here. Alright, that was pretty lame. Alright, guys, so as I decided, that was actually way too slow. I did look online, however, if you actually, I saw that a microwave heat things up, so we're gonna try and make this a little bit hotter because heat equals speed. So we're gonna be actually utilizing this today. All right, let's see what we can do, guys. Hopefully it makes it a lot faster. All right, guys, that should be good. Let's give it a whirl. All right, guys, let's try it now. Hey guys, Mr. Beast here. Today we're gonna be microwaving this inside a microwave, guys. So we're basically gonna be giving $10,000 to streamers if this video gets 10 likes. So actually,
It's not even the thing.
yeah, well, that was pretty lame. Okay, well that was just too lame. All right, guys. So we're just gonna be reviewing. It's actually this is a homemade dildo thruster. As you can see, no lube or special attachments required. Only $3.99. All right, guys. So today we're gonna be microwaving a car. As you can see, this is the 350 GT model. All right, guys. So, holy cow, that might have been GG for that car, dude. I'm not sure though. What was that? Nah. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, let's find something else. Alright, guys, so today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to make mandarin gumbo. So first thing you're going to want is your mandarin oranges, and you're just going to want to... Alright, and then second thing you're going to want is you're going to want a little bit of cocaine. Alright, guys, so this is the cocaine that we got. Alright, guys, now you got to start adding the liquids. Of course, every gumbo needs some kind of liquid. Alright, so now we're just going to add some water. Alright, now we're just going to be adding some, I think that, what is this, Coca-Cola. This is actually important ingredient. Oh, there we go. We got some in there. Don't worry about it, guys. Alright, guys, now you want to add your main noodles. Now that your noodles are in there, we got to put some more ingredients. Alright, guys, so now you want your Burger King lettuce, and you're just going to want to put that in here. Make sure you kind of like put it in at an angle so that no one can step on it. Alright, and I think that's going to actually do it for the recipe. Now you're just going to have to microwave it for approximately 12 minutes. So we're just going to go over here to the microwave. Alright, guys, so it's been about 2 hours, and you can see it's looking pretty good. Ooh, that smell is just amazing. Already my mouth is watering, guys. You guys have no idea. So what you're going to want to do is take your spatula, and you're just going to want to take it kind of like, you're just going to, like, it's probably going to be hot since you're using a frying pan, and yeah, so you're just going to want to basically just take it out with this. Alright, well.
Stuff might be slimy.
Oh.
Gotta get it all lubed.
What is it?
It's lube. Or
What kind of lube though? Ooh. Ooh. You lubing your rod? What? Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
put this fire out.
Oh yeah, we gotta put this fire out. This is bad. We can't have this much fire. Now that the fire's put out, what did it burn all the way up there?
No, it was about to.
Oh yeah, well you're a pussy, so.
Oh. Oops.
What'd you get?
Love without regret.
Love without what?
Regret.
All right. I got choose chocolate, choose happiness.
Cute.
Holy cow, it's blue everywhere. Alright guys, so welcome to our final tutorial of the day. But we actually are going to be showing you guys how to color Easter eggs. So here you can see I have a real egg. This is not fake. It's fully functional. Everything works fine. So what you're going to want to do is put it in a pan or something like that. So you can see this one's kind of rolling around, but that's okay. We're going to only paint it a couple solid colors. We're not doing any stripes or anything. So it's not really that big of a deal. Alright, let's paint. Alright, so like I said, guys, completely working egg. All right, let's just go ahead and turn that over, get another color going on. All right, guys, so we're gonna be adding the second color now. All right, so as you can see, this looks really good, guys. The egg looks really nice. Now, here's the thing most people don't know. Everyone knows how to paint eggs, yeah, but what they don't know is how to speed up the drying process, because especially when it is the day of Easter, you're gonna want to enjoy your eggs like right after you paint them. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of a cool technique I've been learning for a while. As you can see, it's rolling around. It kind of makes for some cool patterns, but just go ahead and put that in the microwave. Microwaves actually make paint dry quicker. There it is. Alright guys, so as you can see, the egg now looks perfect and the shells are actually dry. This is actually really, really good. Here, you want to take that out once? Let's just do a cool little cinematic shot here for you guys. It already smells amazing, so. Alright guys, so basically the last part of the tutorial is once it's like that, you see there's more white showing. We can't have that, so. Alright, so basically we have a pristine egg. Now we're just gonna go ahead, put some, this is actually the preservatives, so you can actually keep it till next Easter. Alright, so after we have that, we're just going to go ahead and we'll probably put like a little dove thing in there just for, you know, whatever. Alright, and then start it. Oh! Alright, well, that's good. That's gonna be it for the tutorial, guys. So now you have your Easter eggs, fully functional and working. It looked pretty good actually. So believe it or not. Oh yeah. So basically, that's gonna be it for the tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching. You want to split this egg?
I touched it with my hands. What have I done?
Oh god. It looks, crush it up, just crush it. You know how many freaking packets of pizza rolls I've made out of this? And now look at it. You put it on my back.
I was wiping it off with something.
Yeah, what? You're wiping it off with that? That's bad. This is North Face X Supreme collab. You can't be doing that. This could be GG, guys. Like, you don't even know. Oh! Obviously, I'm sorry, Pam, but we can't be endorsing Pam on our channel, so we gotta debrand these really quick. And that too, we can't have red in this channel. Because Coca-Cola trademarked that. Alright, oh crap, this could be GG. Their aerosol can't. We could die right here. We might be good. Oh, chill. Chill. It's okay. I volunteer. I'm the suicidal one. Oh, what?
Oh, it's leaking.
Alright, so you put those bars in and hope. Oh, chill. Chill. You could actually die right here. This is it. Whoa, what is it doing back there? What? Whoa. Oh, jeez. Exterminate. Gotta exterminate it.
Perfect.
Holy
These are all empty, right?
Yeah. Wow, that was lame.
We got another one. Oh, yeah.
Well, chill. Top 10 anime GGs. We're gonna break it. Okay, we're good. There's enough going on there.
Glad I switched sweatshirts. Holy cow.
Oh, that's GG.
Wear my sweatshirt.
Oh, it smells like gas everywhere. What did you do? I told you not to use the air compressor.
There's gas everywhere all over this whole thing. So when did it go up that way? Or whatever, they still gas.
Oh, dude, it GG'd. It GG'd. The microwave GG'd.
Oh!
Oh, dude. Holy crap. Oh, it smells so bad. Yeah, it is. Look at it. Oh, that's sick. That's cool. It'll probably turn back on. Holy crap.
Wait, watch this. There we go.
Ooh. Alright, ready? Oh, that's sick. That's sick, dude. It genuinely smells like trash in here now. Holy cow! Dude. Dude, actually.
This is actually
Dude,
really cool.
This is dope. Dude. Oh, it's melting off, dude. Don't get on my phone.
I'm sorry.
Dude, look at it. It's like melting off. Oh, dude. Holy crap.
It's actually really cool.
Wait, was this one that we thought was empty?
What?
This one?
This, yeah. I think so. That's so cool. Holy cow.
Yeah, it is actually. Hold on. All right, do it. No, do that thing. Oh,